back to another episode of You Can't Shazam Podcast. It is your favorite host, Asandamapholoba, and shout out to my favorite camera crew, Nobody Naps. Shout out to Party from my Bokoli studio. And then shout out to me, myself, and I, and my whole entire team. Guys, I've been working. I know it's been a minute since I've dropped anything, and it's crazy. And it's been crazy, guys. Having to deal with academics and media stuff is a lot, and so I'm juggling that. But anyways, yes, I recently graduated in May, yes, and then I'm currently studying still, and so far so great. And then I have released, on TikTok we reached 100K, so with our appreciation from You Can't Shazam, we decided to release a mixtape of the 100K appreciation. So I hope people actually still stream it. If you haven't, don't worry, I got you. Just, if you know me personal level, just send me a text or DM me, and then I will send you the link so that you can stream it. Thank you so much, guys, for the 100K. I really do appreciate it. It's very hard working with so many things in life, and the appreciation is just not there. But then to give back to our fans, we actually do say thank you and stuff. So thank you so much. Yeah, it's to done, guys. My cameraman, I'm trying to get really tired, but it's cool, it's fine. I'm very grateful for all the opportunities I've got. Actually, that's what I want to say. Under You Can't Shazam, I have done so much with my team, and shout out to my team, guys. So many to Keneta, Neta, Trevor, Massive, BOC. Shout out to my friends, Omo, Dalina, Tobek, there's so many, and then I also want to shout out to Give It Mbatwani, the guru of marketing for events like Tegwini. Guys, shout out to a lot of people, and thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate that, the help I've been getting from you guys, and it's massive. So before we go any further, today I'll be speaking more about, the things that have been happening and the things that are still gonna be happening. So yeah, ngakhohlwa ukustream 100K wami we-mixtape ngiyakutshela moyifan yedumbolo nothayela, it's all there. Angikushiyanga nje kwiqom, angikushiyanga. And then we decided to combine a page with Gone to the World. Shout out to you in Cape Town. We decided to join a page, so please do follow it, check it out. It's Gone to the World and YCS together, so yes. And then also I want to say, don't forget to stream. K later released an album. Don't forget to stream it. Jonas Mamani released, A-Kid released 2 albums. A-Kid Winner 2, and then it's IYK, I think. No mistake on that, A-Kid, I'm sorry, but he released 2 albums. So please don't forget to stream his albums all too. A-Kid, K-Later released an album naye. Khona ngamanje mnandi noThobeka, Phatha Phatha, so do the most on that one. Jonas Mamani, ngoba nikhala nje, congratulations uphiphile naye. So there's a whole lot nje going on in the industry. Yabona nje. And shout out to the ladies that say Afro, Sane Ons, Sunshine, Onika. You know what? The album is booming, guys. I want to drip no makote kishi. So nje, shout out to you guys, the Afro. I want you guys here food, and I'm gonna make sure that I get you guys. Ngizwenza show ukuthi ngiyafika la. You Can't Shazam Podcast, because you know what? Ngiyazi ngibekile ithemba kumina. And then previous events that I've been to this month there's a lot. Well, not this month, but past months. I've attended Mad Boys Club, Omo, Darling, Trevor, and Equality Souls. They had an event which was a very successful event. So I attended that. Shout out to you guys. It was actually good. And then I attended a All Black, a hosted Osomniama, DJ Give It. That was awesome. Like, I won't lie. And then I went to a greenhouse party. Yeah, funky cool. Guys, a woman Gaty exclusive. That was exclusive. And then from there, I've attended different July, obviously. I was working under the Matamaki Yokoshimi. So yeah, Pereira. Anyways, guys, sorry for that. We're speaking about different July, right? I was working under the Matamaki. Thank you, Matal. It was nice. I actually enjoyed my days working as a hostess. Hostess, guys. That's what I do. If you want to book me as a hostess or a host to your event. That is all I do, guys. And I'm a promoter, brand ambassador, presenter, and all of that. So yes, that's what I do. But anyways, guys, I've had a few setbacks of people coming to me saying I don't approach them in ways that they want me to approach them. I don't know if you guys get me, but in that me saying that some people say I haven't invited them to the show. And guys, it's not because I haven't invited. I don't, I go by the producer's schedule with him. So I can't just jump and put you on. You know, I have to tell him somebody must come and this, that. So that's just it. And then personally, I would like the question to stop when it comes to my life, partnership life. Can it just stop now? I'm at a point where can you guys just not ask me if I'm dating or not? That is my personal life, and I don't wish my personal life to be on social, because I feel as if it's out there, you guys are gonna have a perspective. Yo, it's Lungu. Yeah. You guys are gonna have the right to be involved when it's personal. When it's personal, it's personal. Nobody needs to be in it. And yeah, that's just it. Let's take that out early. And then another question I got was, how do I maneuver myself around with all the work that I have with my artist as an artist manager? Guys, I work around them all. In a way, I speak to them all. And I try by all means to be there for each and every one of them, because there's a lot and there's so much work, If they're going to be at one place, it's so much better for me, because I can just travel and be there. And like, omunye uzoba emlazi, omunye uzoba enegig, le nele, unamagig awu-4, omunye unamagig awu-4, endaweni engafani bonke, and it's very hard ukuthi okay, sengila. So, but I do try to be there for all of them, and they know my truth. All my boys know. Oh, and another thing, guys, I never mix business with pleasure. That's just it. Standard procedure. There's no business mixed with pleasure because it's pointless. What's the use? I'm here for business. Don't try and do something else. And then another thing is that I want to say I truly appreciate people's words towards me, the encouragement I've got, and everything. So that I'm really grateful for. And I recently came out of a magazine, speaking about it. They asked me questions about my work and the stuff that I do as a presenter. Yes, I've been in radio and now I'm in podcasts, because in radio there is a future, but I decided to be here at the time being because I know that in radio there's still time, I can, go there. So yeah. And then another thing was that people were asking if I do attend indaweni scary emalokishini, guys, ngihlala elokishini. So ama event mekhona emalokishini I do go if I'm invited. I just don't leave the house and saying, yeah. No, I go if I'm invited. I can't just go without an invitation, because man, you feel wanderish. It's impossible, And then, guys, another thing is that I truly appreciate Bongela Babantu, who send stuff, if you've got music, if you've got things, like you got music, you got mixtapes, and you want to show me your talents, I don't mind you sending, I truly appreciate that. And then shout out to all my artists in Sana now, like, umsebenzi is like showing, uyayiveza wona. And upcoming things that I'll be doing is that I did say I'm gonna drop some music this year of my own, and it's very hard, very, very hard. I'm gonna drop 2 songs, and I just hope they're gonna give you guys what you'll need. I just hope. I'm not sure, but again, it's gonna be like that. And then I really want to do an event, so I don't know. Give me some comments about that. I really want comments about me having an event. I really want that. And then another thing is that, guys, there's so much. I'm even forgetting. What do you have to say?
Nothing.
Kanjani man, she's supposed to help me. Another thing is that I've maneuvered. How do you say that?
Maneuver.
Come on. Fundi the cameraman one. Anyways, I've challenged myself. As I said, I'm currently studying content production management, which deals with a lot. So nje mase ningibona sengenza content, ningathuki guys, it's still all part of the platform. I'm still gonna be there for you guys, music wise, nje. I'm still gonna be there, and yeah, it's still gonna be nice. I'm still gonna give you what you need in my page and everything. And then also wanna address the bullying I get. Guys, it is so hard being a female at times. And with the bullying, it is very typical. Bullying me is not gonna help you. Sending me wuti, if I tell you ingoma yakaphumi and you want the song, ayakaphumi, please wait for it to be released. So bullying me and threatening me is not gonna help you. It's honestly pointless, I can just get you arrested now, njengabanye abantu ababoshwa manje. Oba Satan neyinkinga, but it is a siko lapho. But yes, bullying me is not gonna help you. I've got to a point where I do not entertain you guys with your bullying towards me. Getting questions like, why are you in Gqom when you're a female? Why are you guys? Seriously, I get that. Abantu bathi, why wenza ingoma zeGqom? Why udathe ingoma zeGqom kangaka? Yini Gqom yini? Guys, waseThekwini, so it has to show ukuthi ngala, and I'm giving you guys what you need, right? So it's that easy. It's a 50-50 thing. But yeah, other than that, there's a lot. Hey, there's a lot. There'll be more. There'll be more episodes on the show, and I really appreciate it. There's gonna be more people coming, new faces, and everything. So yeah. Oh, shout out to my boy Kalibon. It's really working. Hey, it's really working out there. He's working with Durban culture now, but he's also gonna be here. Don't worry, guys. He's gonna be here. Ningasan. Shout out to you, my boy. And then there's a lot. I'm still gonna be rating. I'm gonna do ratings of ingoma abantu. I hope people won't come after me for that, because you know what? This is the industry. You just gotta leave as it is. And then let's address this thing for trends. Guys, people must stop this thing with into my trender a goal. Before you feel like it's pointless, guys. A woman for what's nine like trend, guys. So yeah, and then upcoming events, guys, let's all meet at Mikasa Park. We have Mikasa, we've got Shimza and friends, we've got Ipetiam Gilan. So, as Viveni lapho. So dance guys. So yeah, catch me at those places. You're gonna see me. So yes, I'm gonna be there. And guys, kumnandi London, siyathandana London. Si right, so eLondon umuntu mengathelile fethu. Kuyadansa angasikhathi asili umnandi right. So yes, nje just so you know, nini ningahlala la wozani eThekwini, give you places. Try eThekwini asinazindawo zobumnandi. We do have, guys, ziningi, like ziningi. It's just a matter of you coming here. Uthola abantu aba-right abazokufaka endaweni ezithile eziphakeme yabo ezi-right esidansa khona. So yes, Frankie Killer released mixtape from a greenhouse, and I do appear. So, angazi ngibona ngidansa kakhulu lapha. Ole nje uxolele Nkosi yami, and uyireleasile nengoma umkhuleko. So yeah, please do stream this song umkhuleko. It has Sinom Solo, Angel Ndlela, Khayathethwa, and Sykes. Yes. So do stream that song, and then every now and then my boys will be dropping, so be careful. Okay, later might just so you must be careful. Massive now. Okay, Sidrilla dropped, so don't forget to stream. And then who else dropped? Ebani whatever drop high. Feel like ngathi competition manje. Liqondo kuyadroshwa left, right and center. But anyways, guys, therapy bafethu. Yabo mengithi khona indawo eyisibusiso. Mengithi khona indawo eyisibusiso, like a blessing from above. It's therapy, guys. Yabo mazithi uyapha page la perfect on blue. Uthenge lithi le therapy fethu. Zobisiza umoya wakho nje. Muthanda iqomo abe therapy. Uyophuma lapha uthi ngicela ukubuyela phakathi. Simple, easy to understand nje leyo. There's one in Joburg, there's one in Cape Town. Asemuthi eThekwini uzoyiletha no. Sayifuna ukutherapy eThekwini. Ngoba yabo abanye abantu bayasaba ukuhamba ezinye indawo. And then another thing is that soon so the ibizani collaboration. So Colombia. No. Benzo joiner.
Join. Collaborate.
Collaboration.
Ukuhlangana.
Ukuhlangana. Anyways, ushaya isiZulu yabo. Hlangana, like so hlangana namanye ama-team from like Joburg.
Ushilo nje iyo ni collab.
Collab.
Collaboration.
Teams are from like Joburg, Cape Town. They're gonna be together and do something amazing for you guys. And yeah, and then Masuti, guys, do not forget. Do not follow now Popile YouTube, like, subscribe, hit that notification button, you press notification button, and then don't forget to follow me also on You Can't Shazam on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and then also my personal pages. I will not say them because you guys, these ones personal, they don't blow up. Nobody blow up about my personal life. Like yo, I want to be when they're like when, and I'm like it's not me. I literally said that. I was walking. I said, "Hi." I was when I was like, I see me. Auntie, what's my peak? I'll keep it for that. When I was alone, I was a pretty good video like studio video podcast episode. La Pepe, no why pig was when I know. Why's our memes and not now? Yeah, I'm like yo. But yeah, guys, guys, for the support I'm getting. Like, it's 100% real. I really love that. You guys get so excited and you ask me questions. Hi, Bombets, and all of that. I really appreciate that, guys. Like, I'm gonna give back to the community once I blow up, guys. You know, really, community and Eloishi is home. Guys. So I really appreciate it. Shout out to Clement and everything. Yes, projects that will be coming out. So be careful. You must watch. And then yeah, that's just it. So guys, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button under Now Popular Studio, and also don't forget to follow me. You Can't Shazam Entertainment on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. Standard procedure. Shout out to you, my favorite camera crew, and myself and I. Oh, it was late before. She's currently busy, guys. I want to know education is by the neck. She's currently busy. So yeah, and I do what just like, so you must be. We are working behind the scenes. Guys. Now 3, right? From my first 3. So anyways, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thank you, love you so much. Mwah.